Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of Lego Pizza Factory. So this time I'm gonna let you see exactly what I'm doing. So, yes, there, here. So this is my desk, again, very messy. I just started it again. So this is our factory so far. If you've looked to Lego Pizza Factory 1, you'd already built this. I put this in the very corner, our salt bar and our veggie stuff. Now next, before we start, make sure to know that you have to watch part 1 before you do this part. Because part 1 is the one we build all that stuff. So yes, part 1 is a big tutorial. Okay. So yeah, part 1 was 10 minutes because this thing doesn't allow me to do that much minutes. So yeah, please forgive me. Alright. So now we have that. We need some more. So more ingredients, not like more food or stuff. Okay. So we would like pineapple. No pineapple allowed. Okay. We also need like a cashier, so let me go get it. Cashier. This is my cashier area. This is like a calculator, I guess, but smart with a cashier. So yeah, look closely before you look at it. So we're gonna put the cashier area somewhere else because this is the factory's inside, not the outside. So yeah. Now we're gonna get another plate, any color you want. We're going to look for like bottles or stuff. We need pepper and I think basil. Yeah, pepper and basil. So grab some basil. Number 1, basil. Okay. So I would like a yellow, clear. It's okay. Whatever color. Pick whatever you. Clear or no clear, it's fine. Okay, I have some basil. Where's my pepper now? Huh? Pepper. Oil. Yeah. So my pepper is somewhere. While we're looking for that, let's build. Alright, now we have those ingredients so far. We need like a place to put the pizza on while it's cooling off. Grab one of these. Or if you have a circular one, even better. So yeah, it can be any color. Just pick one. It's fine. Any color. Okay, now this is the fun part. Now it's time to build our characters, okay? Alright, so this is my basic character and this is my blocky character and this is my advanced basic character. And yeah, that's all. Totally. Okay. So we're gonna use my advanced one. You get to pick whatever Lego character you want. Just a Lego character. The clothes is okay. Anything. I'm using my advanced one. So yeah, I have a billion Lego girls, but I don't have a single Lego boy. Not fair, but okay. So we're going to so now we're gonna set the time. Okay, so now let's make sure everything works. So let's see if the pizza can actually come out. You can actually take the table out if you want to. It's like kind of like a tray, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's like a tray. And then take the tray out there. And then take the pizza off of the tray. Ta-da. Now put the pizza on the cooling table. Whoa. Okay. Now time to swizzle some spicy. Okay. Now time to swizzle some basil on there. Okay. Yes. And now we really just need pepper. But before we do that, mozzarella cheese. Parmesan. Not salt. It's not supposed to be salt, okay? I now know that pizza does not have salt on it, okay? I'm just really sorry for thinking so. So please forgive me for part 1's mistake, okay? Please. Alright. Alright. Now that we have that, we also need some other stuff. Okay, we're supposed to add like carpets, I guess. If you want carpets, grab these plates. Any color you want. I want a carpet because the floor is spiky, spiky, spiky. So I will get, but do not get the smooth carpets, because then you'll slippery. Okay? But if you want like more realistic action, you can put it in, you can put some like water drops on the floor. That'd be super cool. And more realistic, dripping water. I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna do that from like the sink area. Let's say that it's a bit too full. It's starting to drip around. Drip part. Drip. Oh no. Okay, let's get a Lego broom if you don't have one. If you don't have one, it's fine. Just use a stick. What is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, one sec. I'll be right back. Here is my Lego broom or mop, whatever. Broom or mop, I don't care. This is the job. It's to sweep the custodianly floor that needs a custodian for sure. I'm gonna put that under the desk because I wanna. Just joking. Okay. We're going to use these thingies. No idea what they're called, but yes, get the back of them. The back of them. Okay. We're gonna get this actually because this thing is a bit too bad. And I'm sure not a lot of you guys have it, unless you guys have the unlimited edition or something. Okay, so I'm gonna put this poking up. So yeah. Mops myself. Okay, well. Alright, that is very funny. Now put the mop somewhere close to your carpet. Someone's gonna have to mop the floor someday. Alright. Now, if you want to put like posters around, sure. This is my poster. It's Adopt Me poster, and that does not belong here, so I will not put that on. I will put a realistic action into place. So let's say this is a wooden tree stump, okay? It's a stump. Stumpe, okay? We're gonna put it down somewhere because, I mean, let's say that there's a tree here where they exactly wanted to do the thing, so they had to cut down. They tried to get the stump out, but wouldn't, so they decided to use the stump for like a bowl, I guess. Or a chair for a break area. This is their folder. I know, it looks like a medical thing. I really should. Oh. But, yes, this is not their folder. I lied to you. Just joking. It's just that, okay, this is a lever for our oven. I forgot to add that. So, blame on me, okay? Blame on me, not you. But you guys paid so much attention. Thank you so much. And if you want, you can if you want, you can subscribe. But no one cares, okay? I don't care. I just care about building Legos and having fun. So lucky you, I'm one of the Lego builders. I have 1 more minute left before this video ends, so yeah. Put this like bricky thing. It can be these scratchy stuff. Yeah. If you want it to be, go ahead. No one's stopping you, girl. Nope. Okay. We can like put it right here. Like right here. This is our new lever. So yes. And then I forgot to put this guy back on. So put that guy on. And that's about it for this part. Soon you'll meet part 3. Yep, part 3. So yes, don't worry. I guess bye, because this is the end of part 2. Get ready for part 3. Okay guys, bye.